Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of technology, science, and engineering. Join us as we dive into how things work with engaging visuals and insightful explanations. Did you know that airbags have saved countless lives since their invention? But how do these life-saving devices work? In this video, we'll explore the science behind airbags, their history, and their crucial role in car safety. Let's dive in. Airbags are a part of your car's passive safety system designed to protect passengers during a collision. They act as soft cushions that inflate within milliseconds, reducing the impact on the body. Airbags work thanks to a combination of sensors and rapid chemical reactions. Let's break it down. Sensors detect sudden deceleration or impact. Inflator system, a controlled explosion, generates harmless gases like nitrogen, inflating the airbag instantly. Material. The airbag itself is made of strong yet flexible fabric that absorbs energy efficiently. Within milliseconds of a crash, the airbag inflates to cushion your head and chest, reducing the chance of severe injuries. The idea for airbags dates back to the 1950s, but it wasn't until the 1980s that they became common in cars. Since then, innovations in airbag technology have made them more effective and reliable. Modern vehicles often come equipped with multiple types of airbags. Front airbags protect the driver and front passenger. Side airbags shield passengers from side impacts. Curtain airbags provide head protection during rollovers. These innovations ensure that all passengers have better protection, no matter the type of collision. Some people believe that airbags alone can save lives. While they are effective, airbags are designed to work with seatbelts. It's crucial to use both for maximum safety. The future of airbags includes innovations like external airbags for pedestrian safety and smart airbags that adapt to the passenger's weight and height. These advancements aim to make driving even safer for everyone. Airbags are a marvel of engineering that keep us safe on the road. Remember, safety starts with you. Always buckle up and drive responsibly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.